Good morning, guys. It is 1 o'clock, so it's not really the morning, it's more like the afternoon. Guys, I just want to show you the weather outside. What it was last night, well, mostly early hours of the morning, I think it was about 4 o'clock, something like that, it started snowing, and it was really heavy, and obviously it's, snowed, but that's mostly it really. Just thought I'd show you that looks like Sheffield has got snow for the weekend. Look at Ziggy all covered up. Used to have one pallet, is a cold day. Right, guys, I'm going to let you into a bit of history. Ages ago, I got this camcorder, this new camcorder, not the one I'm using. I got it, and I probably used it once, and then I never used it again. Reason I didn't only use it once is because I put it on charge, but the charger were a bit near Ziggy's bed, and it chewed through the wire. So obviously I couldn't charge it, so it just went on my side and just left. I did try and get a new charger, but no, I couldn't find one anywhere. And a couple of days ago, I was like clearing out my bedroom, and I found a charger similar to it, and I was like, hey, that's not bad that, and I've charged it up, and so I thought I'll use it, right, will you stop walking past, right, I thought I'd use it and see which makes me, which has got the better graphics. And so I just thought I'd let you guys know. And this is that camcorder I was telling you about. I am going to swap over now. So yes, now I'm using my new camcorder. I'm a bit not in focus, which ain't really a good start, but yeah, I'm in focus now. But yeah, I'm using my new camcorder. Just sit down. Leave me a comment which one you think's got better graphics, you know what I mean? Do you think it's this one? Oh, my old one, let's just get my old one. Or do you think it's my old one? Like I said, leave a comment which one you think's got, which one I think, yeah, wait. Leave me a comment which one you think I should use. And I just thought I'd show you my old one, in case you were wondering. Right, only thing now I'm doing is I'm just having a couple of games on Xbox, and as you can probably hear, my mum is downstairs listening to Christmas songs, and obviously Ziggy's right there. I don't want you guys to think I'm a downer, but I think that we're rushing Christmas too much. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like Christmas, and I like nearly every Christmas song that's out there, I really do. But it's still November, and you probably go, well, yeah, that's alright, but I don't really start getting into the Christmas mood until it's actually December. And you guys probably, oh no, that's wrong, that you don't want to get in the mood when it's December, it's too late, but that's what it is. I mean, I won Music Channel last night, and there were like, what, about 5 music channels all playing Christmas songs, and I'm like, a bit early. I mean, I'm not saying it's wrong, I'm just saying, we're kind of rushing Christmas a bit early. That's all I'm saying. I mean, I'm not trying to be a downer, I'm just wondering if anyone else is really noticing that we're rushing Christmas a bit early. You ready to go out, Ziggy? 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 Oh, yeah. You ready to go out, pal? Yeah, why'd you keep going around there? You ready to go out in the cold snow? Give it a tail wag if you want to go out. Hey, there we go. And for my dinner, I'm having 2 sandwiches that are sweet corn tuna and mayonnaise. Reason I'm using the light on my phone is because this new camcorder, it hasn't got a total train like my old one has. Just sat here chilling, watching I'm a Celebrity get me out of here. Just done a pot noodle for a midnight snack. And for my supper, I am having a burger. No night, Ziggy. I'll see you in the morning, pal. Right, guys, I'm in bed. The time is 4:45. Yeah, I'm using a light on my phone because, as you know, as I've been saying through the vlog, this new camcorder I'm using hasn't got a light on it. Like I said, I know I ain't really done much today, but you know, we've been, you know, really, I said I really want to go out and fall down, so that's why I haven't really done much today. But you know, nevertheless, I really hope you have enjoyed my vlog today. Like I said, just to remind you, leave me a comment about which camcorder you want me to use. Do you want me to use the one I always use, or do you want me to use the one I'm using now? I'm leaving the decision up to you guys. Whichever camcorder you want me to use, just tell me, and then, you know, next Saturday I will be using that camcorder. And if some people say if there's like people saying, oh, use this one, or use the other one, you know, it depends how many people say, you know, see how many people say which one to use, and most people say 5 people say use your old one, and like 6 people say use this one, then obviously the one with the 6, you know, will win. Anyway, I really am rambling on, so if you want, leave a comment. Oh damn. Trying to keep this somewhere safe. If you have enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up. You can't really see it. Trust me, I'm doing thumbs up. Anyway, give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video. Keep checking out my videos, and please hit the subscribe button. And I will see you guys next Saturday. Night, guys.